Here you log into your trading account. Here you connect your trading account to MT5. Simple and easy. To log into your trading account, you need to have your email address, your password. It is simple and easy. If you've forgotten the password, you click here. Then you can reset your password. So now I can type my password here. But some of traders who do not have a trading account, what you will do, you will go to YouTube, search MetaTrader, and you subscribe. You will go to YouTube, search MetaTrader, then you subscribe, right? Then you would click here. You would click exactly here, all right? And then you open your trading account with this broker. You would click here and open your trading account with this broker. But I recommend, before you do that, I recommend that you actually go to videos and watch this tutorial. All right, you search for the tutorial, 5 simple steps. This tutorial, so that you understand the steps that you need to take in order for you to open your trading account. Now, if you have a trading account, what you will do, I can press here. This is the broker that we're using. I can press here for me to what, to log in. If right now I already have a broker, I have a trading account with the broker that we are using. So I will press log in. I will press login. We press login. We press login. If you already have opened your trading account, you don't have to open trading account many times. You have to press login. I press login. I press login. It is simple and easy to log in to your trading account. Now, you will have to enter the email address here. This is the email address that I have. Then I'll enter my email address there. So what I will do, I will just use my email address and enter my email address this side also, just to make sure that we understand what kind of, how we actually log in. Then that's my email address. Here, I'll just enter. Now, this is the email address that I actually am using. So I'll click login. And this is the email address. I will click login. It is simple and easy. I press login just for me to actually log into the account. Now I'll have to paste in the password here. I'll have to type the password here. If you've forgotten the password, you click forgot password. You click forgot password, then you reset the password. It is that simple. So now what I will do, I'll just type here. That's the password, and that's the password that I'll type here. And let me just type my password here. Demo hash 2026 $sign. Let me show you the password. I will reset the password after this because I know some of you will try to use my password. Then I will log into the broker. Now this is the same password that I'm using this side, and I can go to options. I can go to CFDs, where now I can be able to see the MT5 account here. Okay, the same way, if you see this display of a website, just know that there's nothing wrong. It just depends on the country of resident for you. So don't panic, don't worry. This is the same thing. So now we have demo, we have real. I can go to demo, I can go to real account. All right. Now CFDs, this is where we see what we see, the accounts that we have. Here we have sections. We have home, we have CFDs, we have options, we have wallets. I trust you understand. So this is how you can log into a broker, and this is how you can be able to make money, all right, and start trading. I trust you understand. So if you have any questions where you are actually facing difficulties, you let me know. You can press here, and then you can actually log out. You can also press what? You can press here, then you can also actually what? Log out. This is simple and easy. And then I can press here on the empty space. I can also press here. Then I can press here, going back. Or I can press again here, logging into the account. It is that simple. All right. So some traders, they have some difficulties. So this is the way for you to log into the broker. I press login there. Right now the account is already logged in. I will press here. Then this is the account that we have this side. And I can also go to options, and I will see my wallet here. This is the wallet account that I have, and I can be able to what? To manage the funds here. I can manage the funds. If I press here, I will see the wallet account where the money will be. And if I click on CFDs, I'll see the accounts that I can open. And pay attention to here. If I press here, I can go to demo, I can go to real, then I can be able to connect to the account to the MT5 app. It is that simple. I can click to real. This is the actually account that we have. So now how do we connect to the MT5? It's simple and easy for you to connect to MT5. What I'll do, I'll press here. This is the broker that we are looking for, or an MT5 platform. If I press here on open, this is the broker that we are looking for. If I cancel there, I press demo, I press real and CFDs, same thing. If I cancel here, I go back, I can go to demo, I can go to real, I can go to demo, and I will see what the MT5. I can also go to CFDs. If I go to CFDs like this, I'll be able to see the accounts. Now, this is the account that I have here. I can press here on demo. This is deriv.com limited. This is the broker, the server, the login ID. I can now copy the login ID, which is very important. I can copy in the login ID, and then I'll press here on the MT5. It will take me to MT5 app. And I can also do the same that side. I can update the app. If you have not updated the app, then it will take me to that side where now I can be able to log in. Remember, the broker is Deriv limited, and now I will actually cancel here. What I do now, I'll have to search the broker here, Deriv limited. You will see it.com. It's deriv.com limited. There we go. You can see I can press there. First thing, I make sure that I change the server is demo, and I paste the login ID here, and then I actually type in the password demo. Let's type in the password. Just type in the password is demo hash 2026 $sign, and then I can press like that. The account is logged in. I can go to settings. I see the account. Now, the same thing that we can do this side, all right? If the password is wrong, we can reset the password. It's that simple. So I can go to open, all right? And then I can click forgotten password. If you've forgotten the password, I can click change password. I can click confirm. I will receive an email for me to reset the password. If you've forgotten the password, you can actually do like this, and then they will send you the email like this. And then I go to Gmail so that I can actually reset the password so that you can see, right? This is the email that we've got, and I can change my password. If you've forgotten the password, some traders, I know some of you are having difficulties. You've forgotten the password. You still don't even actually understand as to how do we actually do that. Then now I can change the password to demo, just like this, hash 2026, and put $sign. And then I click create. It is that simple. It is that easy. And then I click OK. I go to CFDs. Remember, now I'm connecting the real account, and I can click open here. I copy the login ID. Remember, the server now is Deriv SVG. Then I can click here. It will take me to the MT5 app. Then I will actually type that password, demo hash 2026 $sign, sign in. Then I've connected the demo account, the real account, not demo account. This is the real account. I can now press here, go back here. We pressed here, login ID, server. If you're having any difficulties as to you cannot see this, what you will do, you will press this plus icon here, or you can press here, press manage account, press plus icon, and then you type in here Deriv SVG. You'll be able to see this. Then once you see this, you press here. For those who are having some difficulties, I know some of you are having some difficulties, you click on server, you go back to see the server here. You can see Deriv server here, and then you go back here. This is Deriv server, this one. Then you paste in the login ID here. You type in the password, demo hash 2026 $sign, done, and you click save here, and it log in. Then you'll be able to see the account. It will be login like this. It is that simple. It's that easy for you to actually log in to your MT5 and also your broker's website. It is easy. It is simple. So if you have any difficulties, you let me know, because this is easy for you to actually log in. You always log in. You always log in. If you're right now, you already have a trading account, and you can click this, and then I can actually type in there the email there, And once I'm logged in, I'm able to now, if I'm having any difficulties, then I can be able to, let me enter just like that. I click login. I click login like this, and then now I type in the password. This is the account. I can go to codes so that I can see the assets. Now I type in that password there. Simple demo. I log in again. Hash 2026 $sign login. It's that simple. So it's easy for me to log in. All right. Every time I want to log in, I can log into the broker. So now I've managed to log in. I can go to demo. I can go to real. Right. I trust this will actually make sense for everybody to understand how to log in. You can press here also this icon there, then go to account settings to make sure that you verify the trading account. You can also do the same if you're having this display. Let's log in here. Password is the same. You can see. Let's log in this site. It is simple. Now you have to verify you have to submit your document to verify your account. So it is simple and easy to verify your trading account. Simple, easy. So if you have any difficulties, you let me know. This is the account that we have. We can go to CFDs, and this is the account that we have. So we can also change to demo, and then we connect the demo account. Simple, simple, easy. If you have any difficulties, you let me know. This side, to verify your account, you press this three dot icon here. You go to account settings, and you actually, what you scroll the way down, you'll be able to see this. Then you submit your information. It is that simple and easy. So if you have any difficulties, you have any error, you let me know. I can now go back. I can now go back like this. If I press here, I press here. Okay, it's busy loading. It's busy loading. So we'll just have to give it some time. Now, this is what you have to actually take note of. So this demo money here, you cannot withdraw it, but you can actually use it to practice. You can go to wallets to transfer. If right now you've managed to deposit money on a real account, you can transfer to the MT5. So transferring is simple. We press here, wallet, transfer, then you transfer the amount of money. But now what we can do, I can press here because we don't have money on real on real account. I can go to demo. I can also transfer the demo amount. I can press transfer, and then the amount will be transferred to the what, to the wallet, or we'll transfer. And then now we choose from wallet to, you see, we've pressed wallet to this account. So now we can able to add here how much money we press. Let's say we want to add 3,000. Then we can what? We can transfer. We transfer from to, then we add the amount, then we click transfer. That's simple and easy. Then we'll be able to see that the amount is transferred. We can now get out of this, go to MT5. This is the account. All right, this is actually the demo. I can go to trade. You'll be able to see 13,000. I can go to history. You'll be able to see that we've added 3,000 here. You see the deposit here is now 13,000. Simple and easy. We can actually remove it. So this is what you will do on a real account. So I trust you understand. Stay blessed. I love you all.